Okay, this is also very important topic in organizational behavior subject, and that means organizational behavior is a subject to observe the behavior of employees. That means when in the observation of employees, we should find the people how the people, that means employees, how they are and how could they feel in their mind, it is in depression or happy mode. So these all find out by the organization behavior subject. So in that, the motivation creates a very crucial role, perform a very crucial role in the organization. That's why we require to know what is motivation, how it is important to organization now. So the importance of motivation and organization topic. First, we should know about what is motivation. That means the people, the process of motivation plays a very important role in an organization, profit or non-profit. The managerial process of direction is driven primarily by the process of motivation, as it creates within the mind of an employee the desire to work in the direction determined by the managers. That means how the people are going to think in their mind towards the work and how it is required to perform well in the organization, and the people are going to discuss in his mind success favorably or not. So that means how they are discuss in his mind towards the work. That means we need to find and we should motivate towards that work. Okay, next, in that we have a different points to know how what is the importance of motivation. First, increase the productivity. Increase the productivity is concerned, motivation as a process leads to an increase in productivity of employees. Motivation meets the needs of employees and here creates a drive to work at the best of his attitude. That means the motivation creates a good productivity. That means the people having people are feel some depression, psychologically they have some disaster in his mind, then the management should be involved into that and they can explain, they can mold the employees towards uh, problems, and they have rectified their problems how they are and what type of problems they have to face and what are the needs we require to provide to them, we will provide to the employees and we expect some productivity to perform well in the organization. Next, ensure organizational efficiency. That means motivation plays an important role in changing the attitude of employees in the organization. In different attitude is extinguished most efficiently by motivation. The presence of such favorable attitude always allows the organization to thrive and successful. Here, that means we should ensure organizational efficiency. That means the motivation plays a very important role, as you all know that. That means the motivation changing the attitude of employees. Before the people, that means before motivation, the employees are going to think in different way. After the motivation, they have to change their attitude towards the work because we all get some money from the company. That's we require to perform well. So when we feel some depression in our mind, we have recollect why I have to going to think about myself in depressive way. So I have to be recollect that and I have to be rectify my problem in my mind by proper motivation from our company management or managers. Okay, next, ensure loyal workforce. That means we always, as a organization, as a manager in the company, we always give loyalty to the workers. That means free flow of doing a work. As you know, whatever you want to do and whatever mind you have, according to yourself you can do. That means a well motivated workforce is a loyal workforce. That means we will give freedom to the people. How could you think and how could you do the work? The motivated employees have high level of moral. That means the people who has motivated already, they have a lot of moral. That means I will be complete this work, I must be complete this work, I have a full of commitment towards the organization and its goals and objectives. That means I have to reduce my problems in my mind, I have to improve myself towards the commitment of organizational goals. That's when we have to provide a loyalty to the employees in the organization. We fully reduce the turnover and absenteeism to our company. Next, ensure a reactive workforce. Adopting to changing business environments in an important feature of any successful business. When we have to feel some difficulties in the company to do the work, at the time the management is going to think about it, and they must be changed. What are the difficulties the people are face, and according to that, required changing of the business work, and the workforce feel it is a very important task I have to perform. So when it is very easy to perform, that means the people have feel I can do this. The environment is good towards the doing a work, so I can do well in the organization. And also we need to change our simple steps to do the work, and we don't feel it is a very difficult, like the people didn't get in their mind that loyalty we should create into the people's mind. That means loyalty and commitments are very important for the every organization concern. That means to reduce the resistance to change that organization intend to make. That means they have reduced the difficulties in his mind when we have to provide the loyalty to the people. And we have to personally we have to change our attitude before how I have after I how I have to improve. All these are very required to improve our skills. Okay, next, facilitates direction. It is a most important point in the motivation is direction is an important managerial function and forms one of its core function. Motivation, as already mentioned, is a virtual part of direction. Direction being a process that involves directing, initiating action according to the plan draw up, requires the employees to work wholeheartedly with commitment and loyalty. When the manager is going to direct any of the work, we should give the proper direction which should be understandable, which required to understand to perform well. When we have to direct the things, we should understand, the employees must understand what the managers are explain, what our subordinates are going to explain, and what our leaders are going to explain. So there we understand the work, then we will easily perform, and we should initiate the action according to the plan the managers are going to execute well. That is required. The facilitate best direction to the employees is required to perform well in the organization. Conclusion: the role of motivation cannot be understated in an organization. It is a simple process that requires an understanding of human mind and behavior. That means it is a very very important concept in any organization, because a human being is always think about a different issues, think about a different tasks. So in that, the mind is always confused with them problems, work, discussions. All these are very much difficulty to very much weight in our mind. So at that time, what is important to do here, we just forget it. So at that time, psychologically we have recollect our issues, psychologically we have to feel something better. to motivate by some other people. This is a work you need to do in a company. When you are entered, you must be concentrated on the work. When you are going out from the company, you're going to think about your family, and you have to go in any other way. At the time what you required to discuss, you can do that. Don't mix all these into the work. Okay, like we should motivate the people, and the people are going to motivate well, and they can do well work, and they can do commitment, and they can initiate anything in the organization.